Thank you, guys. Yeah, I know. It's pretty magical. Me and Judy are surrounded. It's like we're in the eye of the storm of the birds. You know what that's like? It's magic. Oh. Okay, now the Ravens are playing. Hold on a minute. Now the Ravens are playing because they played 2 Michael Jackson songs back to back. You Rock My World and the other one, I can't remember. But it was about, look at her, look at this. We're talking about this. Can you hear? Something's going on. So the birds might like you. Maybe the birds talk to you. I know a few of you out there it does because even Becky is taping things. So something about this. And the angels are coming through and the birds are coming through to let you know that something amazing is happening, something amazing is coming. And they've been circling me for about 30 minutes just playing songs and talking, mostly Michael Jackson songs, which is comical. So, yeah, maybe people out there are getting messages. Oh, we love that. Love you, fam. We're going to go play some more. Guys, I still got the Ravens talking. There is so much going on right now. So much movement, so much change, so many messages, so many people realizing things. Maybe they realize that they're gathering just around you because every time I move, they're following me. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Hi there. How are you? Good.